Good morning, one and all. This is Mrs. Deepali Evle, Assistant Professor, ENTC Department, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. My today's session is on hands-on on Xilinx software. So now we will proceed for Xilinx software for OR-gate design. Double click on Xilinx software icon. Close this window. Now we want to create the new project for 2 input OR gate. So new project, give some name to project or 1 2 3. Check your location should be Xilinx, so go for Xilinx. Okay, so location, working directory, both should be same. Top level source type will be HDL. Next, here again you are supposed to write your board specifications. Next, finish. So project name is OR123. Under that the board is specified. In that you create new source, VHDL module, file name OR111. Okay, check the location, click add to project. Next, now for 2 input AND gate OR gate, we are having 2 inputs A, second input B, direction will be in, output will be Y, direction will be out. Finish. Now this OR111.vhd file is created in the sources window under implementation. Now this is our OR1112.vhd code. First 2 lines, library and sub-library declaration, entity declaration, and this part is architecture. Now inside the architecture I will write single line to write the VHDL code for OR gate. So A or B, semicolon. Now our VHDL language is case insensitive, so even though I write here capital Y, it will not give me any syntax error. We will check for that. So save this code. We will go for check syntax under synthesis x60. Check syntax. So see the message received each check syntax completed successfully. Now go for RTL schematic. So we will get the top level RTL schematic over here. So okay, double click on this, you will get level RTL schematic. Next we will go for the test bench code writing, where we are supposed to provide the test bench waveforms required for our DU to check the output waveforms. So we will go for simulation. In that we will create test bench code. So new source, VHDL test bench or 121, any name you can give. Check the location, click add to project. Next, finish. Again we are going for combinational circuitry like AND gate. So I will remove this clock signal, constant clock signal from here, clock process from here, and wait for statement used for clock here. Now we will write our inputs A and B. We will change input A and B for different combinations of A and B, like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here A will be assigned the value of 0, B will be assigned the value of 0, semicolon. Wait for 100 nanoseconds. Just I will copy from here, no problem. Now I will copy the different combinations of A and B. Okay, weight is remaining, so W. Second combination will be 1 0. Third combination will be, okay, for second combination can be 0 1, third combination can be 1 0, and the last combination will be 1 1. Okay, so now we will save this, then we will check syntax for this. Something went wrong, so it will tell me what is wrong. So check the console window. Okay, W is remaining. Now check syntax completed successfully, message is received. Now next, simulate behavioral model. Now you know how you will get the errors in the console window and how to modify that error. Okay, and then again you go for check for syntax, so that you will be able to confirm that there is no error. Now click on this maximization button. Now see, for A0, B0, your Y output of OR gate will be 0. Then next combination of A and B is 0 1, your Y output will be 1. Next combination of your A and B is 1 0, output Y will be 1. And the next combination of your A and B will be 1 1, your Y output will be 1. So thus we have written PHDL code for OR gate and simulated the waveform using TestBench code. Thank you. Next time we will go for PHDL code for ALU.